Hi, Roy here from Yago Yoga. So here we are on day 28 of the 30-day breath awareness challenge. So how did you get on yesterday in your silence, surfing the waves? How did it go for you? Did you get that beautiful sense of spatial awareness and listening to your breath? Did you get a sense of your own awareness coming through more, your own sense of presence? Did you get, even in the silence, you get a sense of stillness in yourself? While you're in your breath, there's that lovely sense of being aware and being in the stillness of silence. Did it give you a very nice reflection on the busyness of everything outside? Whether it's a cafe you're in, or on a bus, or in the car, you can be listening to the radio at the same time, it's on, you're in the office, anywhere. Did you find yourself just coming into that place of silence and really getting that beautiful sense of expansion and traction, the surfing of the waves and the engagement of your body and the conscious engagement of your body? How did that go for you? Again, pop in the comments below, yeah? So now, today's challenge is we're going to bring in the kinesthetic feeling. I want you to feel your breath. And it's like, well, Roy, I've been feeling my breath all along. Okay, but now what we're going to do is focus on it as a specific sense. And let me explain what I mean there. We're always touching something. Does that make sense? Always. The body is always touching something. The breath is always touching the body. Consciousness is always touching the breath. Consciousness is always touching the body. So we're always touching something. Our senses are always engaged with the outside world. It's always engaged. It's always touching something in the sense of a sensual experience. Okay, so now that's what I mean by feeling. I want you to get into that sense of you're always touching something, and I want you to feel it. Does that make sense? So whatever it is that if you're sitting, I want you to feel that you're sitting and what you're sitting on, the sit bones, you're sitting in a chair, standing up, you're standing and do it. Okay, I want you to get a sense of feeling your breath moving in your body. I want you to get a sense of your consciousness feeling your breath, feeling your body. Just that general sense of feeling. Now, partly why we're doing this, again, it opens up another spatial awareness in your breath. And when you want to center in your life force, is one of the things we connect into is literally our life force, our breath awareness. And then we're coming into that state of feeling. Okay, now think about what's the first thing we all feel? I love asking this question on teacher training. And the first thing we all feel is our life force. We feel alive. And then through our life force, we feel everything else. So life force is always first. So the first feeling is life force. And then there's feeling itself. There's all the things I can feel in my life. And then if I don't feel all those things, I just come to a baseline of feeling itself. And that's what I want you to tap into, that you're just in a state of feeling. And then you're sensing everything through that. Okay? I hope that makes sense to you. Again, pop in some questions below if you're not sure. But let me talk you through it a little bit. So again, you're breathing the channels, you're surfing the waves, you're opening your throat, you're gazing, you're doing it from a place of silence. And then what I want you to just do is just allow yourself just to feel. Just to let yourself feel. Feel the beautiful motion of it all. And that you're just in a state of feeling. And you're letting go of all reactions. So there's no resistance to it all. You're just very receptive. You're in an absolute state of feeling, and you just let yourself feel. That's absolutely beautiful. And what you're doing is that while you're feeling your physical body, at one point you may start to notice you're starting to feel your energetic body. Because literally we have an energetic body exactly like we have a physical body. They mirror each other. And then when you tap into feeling, you just find yourself breathing and feeling your energetic body. And it has its own level of consciousness and awareness. So you may even notice if you're gazing, you might start to see different type of lights and different colors come off your skin. Is a beautiful thing. But just you're in a state of feeling. That's your challenge for today. Again, some people might find it easy, some people might find it more challenging. Is give it a go, see how you go. And then again, comments, questions below. Please subscribe, share with your friends, click notification, And outside of that, have a wonderful, wonderful day.